Hi, we're here on our very first day of summer school, and I have our transportation director, Mr. Mark Fick. Mark is in his third year as transportation director. That doesn't even seem possible, Mr. Fick. But he came to us from military experience before coming to Warsaw Community Schools, and he is one of our local hometown heroes. And we just had our first drop-off of summer school kids here this morning, and it went very, very well. We watched our students leave with masks, which is one of our safety protocols on buses, due to the inability to fully social distance on the buses. But Mr. Fick, could you tell us a little bit about some of the other safety protocols that are going on the buses to make sure that our kids are safe?
Yes, sir. We all the drivers, we have masks on. We have masks for the students if they get on the bus without a mask. It's required to wear a mask on the bus. You really can't social distance on a bus, so we'll run 2 per seat. And after each route we do, the drivers will disinfect the bus.
Mr. Fick, you guys have done just an amazing job. Again, this is our first session of secondary summer school. On July 20th, we have our elementary students that are going to be starting. And then in August, we're going to be ready for the school year to start off physically, correct?
Yes, sir. We're rolling now.
Well, again, I can't say enough. You guys have taken a number of just extra steps. Now, if a student, because they do need to have a mask on the bus, if they forget their mask one morning, you guys will have some extra masks, right?
Yes, sir. Yep, we'll have spares on hand.
Excellent. Thanks again for taking the extra steps, again, because it's these type of extra steps that allow us to be able to come back physically to Warsaw Community Schools.
Yes, sir.